Hello everyone. Today's topic is about the Declaration of Helsinki and the National Research Act. Firstly, let's discuss about the Declaration of Helsinki. It is a develop or established into the year of 1964 into the Finland. The Declaration of Helsinki, it is a set of ethical principles for a medical research involving the human subject. The it is a Declaration of Helsinki. It is a well known for the International Medical Association for a medical research on a human subjects. In that they establish some principles and the rationales for a medical research on a human subjects. After that the next point is our National Research Act. National Research Act is an act which is passed into the year of 1974 after the 10 years of a Helsinki or a Declaration of a Helsinki. The National Research Act will be the outcome or a result of a syphilis studies. The inner syphilis study, there was a black Afro Americans are used, but without their consent or without their proper consent, they are used into the trial, which are further leading to the syphilis causing to them. At about the 600 volunteers are used in that syphilis studies without their consent. Amongst them there will be a 399 peoples or a volunteers will be a syphilitic, and only at around 201 volunteers are will be or the subject are the non-cephalic, but this may be a leading to the this also we can say that the sum of the crime. So after that syphilis study, there was a establishment or a outcome of a National Research Act into the year of 1974. After that act, there will be the compulsion of informed consent for the clinical research or the medical research for the investigator from that patient. We can simply say that the informed consent. Informed consent form is needed for the clinical research study or the involvement of a subject into the clinical research study. There will be the compulsion of a informed consent form. In that there will be kept behavioral and the biomedical studies of an subject and keep them with the consent into that clinical research. That's all about the Declaration of a Helsinki and the National Research Act. That's all. Thank you so much.